Hey y'all, I'm just getting in from Home Goods, Walmart, and Thrifting. Let me get this stuff down because it is hot outside. I will be back to show you what I Hey y'all, welcome back to It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. My name is Kel, and I just got in. Y'all, it's hot. That Elsa lady that came through here with that tropical storm and made it even hotter, if that can be true. Anyway, wipe this sweat off of me because I've been out since 8 o'clock this morning and I am just getting in about 11:30. And real quick, I had to stop over at the realtor place because they still had the lock box outside on our water spigot. And it's been 2 months and my husband's ready to get some bulk colors and click them off. So I said, before you do that, we get a fine or have to pay for that lock box, let me run over there. So while I was over there, I went to the newest Walmart, I went to Home Goods, and I went to 2 different thrift stores. It felt so exhilarating to go into the thrift stores. I only got like maybe 2 little things from each thrift store. I didn't want to go crazy, being that I found these 2 thrift stores. So anyway, let me stop all this talking. And by the way, if you're new to my channel, thank you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're just coming over to see what my channel is about, make sure to give me a like and leave me a lovely comment. So let's move into the Walmart video first. So as you know, school supplies are being put out at Walmart. So I just went to stock up on my arts and crafts. So I got the 2-pack of the Crazy Art brand, and these I believe were 50 cents a piece. Yeah, the markers were 50 cents a piece, and never go without pens. These were 97 cents a piece. I got them in blue and black. I picked up 2 packs of Crayola crayons for little kids when they come to visit. They'll have something to do, especially Truly. And the crayons were, I believe, 50 cents a pack. So I got that. Then I went down to clearance aisle, and I thought this was really cute. Me and Ariana are going to work on this weekend. It is a snap style printable mask. You create your own mask, and what's included in this is 4 printable panel sheets. You get 4 filters, a nose bridge strips. You get the elastic ear loops and 4 heat activated adhesive tapes. And what you do is design it either from your phone or computer, and then you just print it out, and it's supposed to be able to make a mask. And this was on clearance for $5, and this was regularly $17.96. I probably should have got a couple more of these at $5, and you can make your own mask, put your own design on it. So when we work on this, I may film a little bit and show you the finished product. I thought that was a great thing. You know, this is her last week with me, and it'll give us something to do inside the house. They had the Energizer floating lights, you know, the flashlights. And Oh, and the batteries do come with it. You know, in case of emergency, these goes down in our emergency kit, being that I do live in the, you know, tropical storm area. And these were $3. So I got 2 of these, one for me, one for my husband. I should have probably grabbed 2 more. And these were originally $16.94. So these will be good. And even if you're not in the tropical area, just the lights go out or whatever, you know, you got an emergency flashlight to get. And this smells good. So I found the French and lilac flowers melts. So I got these. These were only $2. And some little glitter lipstick, lip gloss for myself. I didn't even try it on in the store. See what it looked like. Not bad. And it's from the company NYX, and it was $3. So of course, when I put my fabulous face on and do my hair and everything, girl, I'm just coming in from out 90-degree weather. Ain't nobody trying to get on camera, trying to look fabulous right now. I'm trying to show you all these deals. But yeah, I got this for $3. Oh, and it's not glossy. It's like that permanent that stays on for a couple hours. Not bad. And then I got a little battery for my BB for the car. So that is all my little Walmart deals that I got today. Which was, you know, I believe this was the best deal of all, finding these flashlights for $3. And then this little mask kit that me and my granddaughter Ariana can work on, so she can take a mask home for herself. Alright, y'all probably don't care about this Walmart stuff. You're excited to see that I went thrifting. So let's do the thrifting, being I only have 4 pieces thrifting. And we'll start off, and it was 50% day, all the blue tickets. So I found this nice little caddy. It's like a vintage style to me, and it was original $1.99, so I only paid 99 cents. And a lot of vintage pieces that I do have that I've been collecting, the tray was always missing from them. So once I start in that garage, I'm going to see if some of the pieces fit in here. And if they don't, I will be utilizing this for like the syrup. Matter of fact, hold on, I'm going to go get the syrup. Let's see if it fits. I'm back. So this is my little syrup canister, and I wanted to see if it would fit on there. It is really too big, but you see where I'm going with it. And then I can probably get like a glass shaker to put the confectionate sugar, and this could serve as when I'm doing like pancakes and French toast and cinnamon sticks, you know, they can have this. But nevertheless, I still thought it was a good deal to only get this for 99 cents. I will find something to use with this. So I found that. Let's put the syrup over here. And then at the same store, because I really didn't see anything in the store, and came up to the register. You know how they have the glass case? Look what I found. You know, it has the shape of a dress and the stand and the bottom, and it's supposed to hold, you know, like your jewelry, your necklaces and stuff on it. And this was $2.99, $3, and I just liked it for this part right here. Maybe doing a video. Maybe a themed Paris video or something like that, or this would have been very nice with my Cruella de Vil video. So I got that. I thought this was really nice. It's a nice size, and I'm actually going to set it up on my desk as a decorative piece. And hopefully once I'm able to get everything situated in the garage this winter, that will go in my station for my sewing machine and everything. And I can hang up like a tape measure and so forth. So yeah, for right now, it's just gonna go on my desk. So sit there. So next, I went across the street to this other thrift store, and I found this pretty sugar bowl. I'm done collecting sugar bowls now. It's starting to get out of hand, but you know, when you find them, you want to grab them because you can't use the same one for, you know, the different seasons. You know, you want to try to, well, that's not my motto, but I'm just saying that's how I was thinking when I came across this. So I'm just trying to get the tape off because they really do tape this stuff up really good at this store. So it has like the gold inlay on it going around. It's just white. You see the gold going around inside. So I'll just throw that in the dishwasher. And this was $1.25. Now they didn't have the creamer piece. That would have been really nice with this. But look what I found that was sitting right next to it. Oh, isn't that pretty? It has that little design on it. It has the gold going around. I thought this was really cute. It does have some type of, it says made in China. It does have a pattern on it. And this was $3. So I said, oh, $3, I'm not leaving this. So I got this little set for $4.25. Unbelievable, right? Unbelievable. So I thought these are my best finds for today. I have not been thrifting in a while. So that's all. The 4 pieces, like I said, I had to be very careful going into the thrift store, and only took $5 in with me in cash, so I did not swipe, because that swiping will get you in trouble. I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. Y'all stay blessed, and I will see y'all